here. Look. The weather is so beautiful now. Not that cold. But still, it's cold for me. Oh, so good. Oh, the neighborhood here is so quiet. Oh, where are they? I'm running. Look. So, since it's not the color right now, so you can see more people here strolling around the street. So here's the bus in Edmonton. It's my first time to see people walking on the street. It's because it's spring time, spring season now. Nephew is enjoying the wagon because he doesn't want to walk. Yeah, so we're heading to the place where we have to pick up the free glasses. Yeah, we found it in a marketplace. They posted there that it's free and we can pick it up. We can pick it up. So here's the park. No, we're not. It's different from her. You can see a drive safe. Drive safe. So it means that you have to drive with a maximum. What is that? Village here. There are different house design. Already picking. We're going to pick up all those glasses. So it's totally free here. We'll just get this.
Okay.
I'm scared. So here, free glasses, and also including the chair. We have. We're not really sure. Nay, nabuak. Uy, basta makakuha ka na.